A little dynamite for you black ones to play with.
Hey, Floyd, you got that rifle up on the wagon, don't you?
Yeah, right.
Why don't you give him your gun and gun belt?
Oh, right, huh?
Now, don't drop the fucking thing, all right? I've just had the sights fixed, and they're perfect.
Oh, that's good to know.
Vengeance is his, but I'ma do it first. I'm gonna handle my business in the name of the law. Oh, now if he made you cry, oh, I gotta know. If he's not ready to die, he best prepare for it. My judgment's divine, I'll tell you who you can call. You can call.
Don't let that down.